Hi everybody, it's Miss Kelly, and today we're going to be talking about the resource Starfall. So Starfall is a resource that is play-based learning, where you have these online games focused on different topics, and it'll give you automatic feedback of whether it's right or not, and it'll let you continue on with the more you get right. And today we're going to be focusing on grades 1, 2, and 3. Once you click on that, you go over to this page and it will give you all the different things that you can learn about, either math, language, arts, and music, or even some seasonal things. But today we're going to be focusing on grade 2 math. So once you click on that, it'll show up and it'll give you all these different games. Just like if you clicked any of the other things, it will give you a list of different games you can choose from. So what you do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on this. And once you click play, it's going to walk you through exactly how you're going to play the game. For example, in this game, based on place value, what the student will do is you go through and you count the ones, and then it'll tell you if it's correct or not. You can count the tens, and you can count the hundreds. So if you put in the wrong answer, it wouldn't let you accept that answer, and then you'd have to make sure that you put in the right one to make sure that you go back and correct yourself. For this game, after you go through it, it'll read off exactly what is in each column. So for this example, it's 100s, 2 10s, and 6 1s to equal 126. And from those blocks, they're going, if you click on this green arrow over here, you can keep on going, and at the end, you'll be able to create a giant robot. So overall, this website can be used for either math, English, or even a little bit of history and seasons.